Sonny, you read the book.
I can't read it.
Yeah, you can.
Cheese. Cheese.
Sonny, no, it's a video. Okay?
Cheese.
Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Say, I'm going to show you how I read books.
So I read books.
All right, go ahead.
How I read books.
Read the book now.
Read the book now.
Sonny, no, you read the book.
Okay. At yours.
Sonny, this is for real. We're going to show the world how you are the smartest 3-year-old in the world.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Spell it. Come on, what does that say?
I don't know. This is like by Joe fishing.
Thomas goes fishing?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
B end.
No.
B end.
Sonny, you're silly. Show us how you read it, for real.
B end. Say B end.
No, read it.
B end.
You want to go night-night?
No.
So read the book, please.
Okay, so this is B end.
Start in the beginning.
Okay, Mommy.
Right there. You can start on that page.
This one?
Yeah.
But go busy, I promise.
Thomas.
Promise.
No, Thomas.
Thomas.
Yeah.
Get a do fishing rubber. Look at a do fishing rubber. Right?
Mhm.
Mhm. Yeah. Right. This is H. G.
No, keep on reading.
Okay.